Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? John, Bell plus oo plus she. Bell, oo, she. John Belushi. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks. Welcome again to our show. On my right, our returning champion, a man who, to this point, has picked up a bundle. He wins big whenever he takes a game. He has won $14,733 in prizes. His name is Michael Reiter. And on my left, his opponent, also his opponent in yesterday's program. He lost the first game. His name is Bruce Johnson. Wants to atone for that loss. Am I right?
Gotta do it. Michael, he's won enough. He's won enough. Michael, you've won too much. Too much, yeah.
It's your turn. Okay, it's a friendly rivalry. Sure, that may change as we get into the game. Take a look over here, gentlemen, and we will show you one of the great prizes.
Take a break. You've earned it. Now's your chance to sip a Mai Tai while strolling along the white sandy beaches of Maui. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Aston Kanapali Shores. Enjoy the luxury amenities and comforts of home offered at this 4-diamond Aston Suite Resort on Maui's Kanapali Shore. Furnished by Aston Hotels and Resorts. Alex.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, they used me as the model for one of the mannequins over there. Looks a little better than I do in a little outfit like that, though. Thank you, Marjorie. Marjorie used to do that with me, too. That's why I started to lose weight. Bruce and Michael, take a look. We'll show you where you can find the holiday in Maui at number 1. Easy to remember. Bruce, you go first.
I've got to win that trip for my parents. They want to go to Hawaii forever. Let's find the trip on our number 6, please.
Sailboat.
I'd like the sailboat. Could I match that up with a wild card or a natural match under number 9, please?
Dining room set. No match. Michael?
I'd like a return honeymoon to Maui. Maybe it's under number 18.
Dining room set.
And was that number 9?
Dining room set.
I'm still not very sure. I just saw it and I wasn't sure.
It doesn't matter. What's important is that when you say the numbers, you make the matches. And you've been doing that. I guess. And doing that very well indeed. 2 doors are going to open for you, Michael. If you solve it now, we'll go home early.
Okay, how about a wild card for that Maui trip under number 24?
Designer sunglasses.
Okay, this would be nice. Number 5?
Amethyst bracelet. No match there. Bruce?
I'd like to find that trip to Maui. How about number 21, please?
Oak shelving system.
Well, let's dig up a wild card under number 7, please.
Green take. No match. Michael, back to you.
Okay, to the top of the board, number 3, please.
Leather attachés for 2.
Okay, maybe a match or a wild card under number 16.
Wild card, indeed. The other leather attachés are in the lower right-hand corner, so we've got pieces all over this puzzle now, and that's usually not all that helpful. Let's see what happens, though. Yeah, it makes it tough. Come on, Michael, make another match, and maybe we'll start getting some sense of this puzzle.
Okay, let's look at another corner, number 5.
Amethyst bracelet.
And where did we see that before? Was that under number 2?
No, but there's a wild card, so you're going to come out of it smelling like a rose.
I feel like I'm very lucky. You know,
that's all right. That's all right.
It's better to
the other amethyst bracelet. Number 17. 3 more panels opening up for Michael. Pick again.
Okay. Number 15, please.
Another wild card. What do you think, Bruce? Is he lucky?
He's got one of those horseshoes with a luck full on the bottom.
Vision. My finger's going to number 1.
Vision. Yes, my fingers
number
go.
Number 1, please, for Maui.
Maui at number 1. We have the vision, and the vision may come true. The other Maui Hawaii holiday is at number 22, and that means we now have 4 prizes in Michael's column, and he has a golden opportunity right now to solve the puzzle and win these 4 prizes. All right, maybe it was a brass opportunity, not quite golden.
I think we need to open up the middle a little bit. How about number 12?
Toaster, oven, and broiler.
Okay, and could I find the match possibly under number 23?
Red take, no match. Bruce?
Could I have a look behind number 7, please?
Green take.
Green take. How about a match for that under number 14, please?
14 is where I thought you would go, and you did, and you wound up with a red take, no match.
Okay, did we see the red take under number 23?
Yes.
And the match for that under number 14?
You are correct. No, don't even bother looking. You haven't allowed him an opportunity to accumulate prizes.
Yeah, aw.
Oh, indeed.
Bruce, would you win something so I can take it?
Oh, you'll be sorry. You'll be sorry.
Oh, fighting words. Yeah, the challenge is out there. Open these 2 panels for Michael. Remember when Custer said, take no prisoners, what happened to him?
I could live to regret that, couldn't I, Bruce?
You might.
Number 8, please.
Oak shelving.
Did we see that under number 11?
No, we didn't, says Bruce.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Here's
Okay,
Bruce's
could I see
opportunity.
number 11, please?
Yes.
And number 6 for the match?
Sailboat, sailboat. Right. All right, Bruce. Take a look.
I'm not going to solve it yet. I think I have one more match here. Could I see behind number 8, please? And
Oak shelving.
Number 21 for the match, please?
Oak shelving.
Now we'll solve it.
Now we'll solve it?
I have to. I can't afford to lose another game.
Can't afford to try to make any more matches? Let us open the doors.
I wish I had a take, but...
Let's open the doors.
Is it...
Let's open the doors. Thank you.
Is it Amelia Earhart?
I think so. Is it Amelia Earhart? Yes. Michael? Came back to haunt you. I know. Let's go, Bruce. Had to do it indeed.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You've got the ham and the eel right here. So hameel, E-A. So Amelia, and air down here, and H. And I didn't even see that. I knew it by then, so I just guessed at the bottom. Amelia Earhart.
What's down there, though?
Well, we got art, obviously.
That's it,
so
yes.
Earhart.
We have a painting and
I just got it now, actually.
yeah, Amelia Earhart. Michael, you're safe. That's just 1 strike against you, so you're coming back in game number 2. That's going to be the rubber match between you 2 guys.
Should be fun.
Should be fun and exciting. We'll see you in a little bit. Good luck. But right now, Bruce will show you a couple of your prizes. Gene, tell them.
An oak shelving system. Merillat's oak modular shelving system uses kitchen cabinetry with a roll-top desk for a functional work-study area furnished by Merillat Industries, and a sailboat. Snark Sun Catcher sailboat, designed for easy transportation, will carry 3 adults, furnished by Snark Boats. Prizes worth $2,583.
Well, you can use that sailboat in Lake Simcoe,
Sure,
Georgian Bay, anywhere up
Bay.
there. Yeah. All righty. He's going to play for a brand new car, too, when we return after this. What are they yelling? Bruce, 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 Bruce.
Yeah.
Bruce, 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 Bruce. They want Bruce to win the
Bruce.
car. They've got Bruce. All right, ready?
Sure.
Okay. Let's
No, it's gonna-
bring in the... oh, Marjorie has a message first. I'm sorry,
don't forget
Marjorie.
about me.
I forgot. Yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Thanks. If you would like to try out for... God, going from that voice. Scary. If you would like to try out for classic concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. Back to Alex.
Don't forget about me. Don't forget about me.
That was your voice, huh?
That was it.
Cool, good.
Yes, okay.
The Hyundai Excel is just one of many beautiful cars that Bruce could win. The Daihatsu Charade is another. The Nissan Sentra also. The Suzuki Sidekick is there, followed by the Mazda 323, the Ford Festiva, the Mitsubishi Prius, and finally the Volkswagen Fox. Any one of these cars could be yours. If
I think we want the sidekick.
If you want the
I think I
sidekick?
want the sidekick.
All right. But don't try to play to win the sidekick because there isn't enough time to fool around. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds. Base time on the clock for you. Go for it.
1, 13.
No.
2, 14.
No.
1, 15.
No.
13. 14.
Correct.
4, 2.
No.
1, 3.
Nope.
5, 6.
Nope.
8, 9.
Nope.
6, 4.
Nope.
Ooh, that's tough. 9, 12.
Nope.
6, 12.
Yep.
Wow, that's tough.
Yeah, when you're kind of just thumping around like that the first time, you started off okay, but you present yourself with problems going top and bottom because you've got a lot of space to cover in between. But that's all right. You've got $2,583 in prizes. You saved yourself in the last game. You'll play again, perhaps win a trip or some other great prizes in the next one. And we'll be back for that after this. Bruce and Michael are about to play what will be for them the deciding game, the tiebreaker. Whoever loses will leave us. But gentlemen, we have some great prizes for you once again, including this.
This beautiful, handmade, colorful, floral 6x9 Oriental rug is 100% wool pile and is a handsome accessory to any room. Yours with a gift certificate from EMSER International.
And here it is on the board, gentlemen. Number 12 for the Oriental rug. We also have a holiday in Washington, D.C. Great city to visit. And we have $500 in the cash pot. And Michael, you select first with just one wild card to assist you in this game.
Okay, I hope to find that one wild card under number 5, please.
High-tech telescope.
That would be a fantastic prize. How about number 18?
Cash pot, no match. Bruce.
You know my heart's after that cash pot. I'd like to have a look behind number 1, please.
Green take.
I'd like one of those, too. I could have saved that trip last time. Then. How about number 16, please?
Garden tools, no match. Michael.
Okay, let me open up the middle of the board. Number 13, please.
Sleeper sofa.
And for the match, number 25.
Diamond necklace. A lot of good prizes we're getting a look at, but no matches so far. Bruce, can you make one?
How about number 2, please, Alex?
Diamond necklace. You
And
might be able to.
Number 25, please.
25 is a match. Come from behind move by our challenger, Bruce Johnson. And now we look at these two pieces, and they reveal not all that much. Unless you like arrows or wedges, select again.
How about number 9, please?
Sleeper sofa.
Oh, I saw that. Is that number 24?
No, cash pot. You love cash, Bruce.
I love cash. I need that cash.
Okay, where did I see the cash pot? Was that number 7?
No, that's an antique library globe.
Okay, look for a match or a wild card at number 16.
Garden tools, no match.
Could I see number
Bruce?
13, please?
Sleeper sofa.
Oh, number 9, please?
Sleeper sofa, yes. You were confusing yourself because they were so close together,
I got
right?
that cash on my mind. I'm thinking,
Yeah.
oh, where's the... Okay.
Yeah. You knew you had seen the sleeper sofa in a particular area of the puzzle, but you weren't sure. Open it up.
That helped me with this one, too.
Pick again.
How about number 8, please?
Washington, D.C. vacation.
I used to work there. I could go back and see my buddies. How about number 22, please, for a wild card or a match?
Mahogany mantle clock. You will not find any of your buddies inside the clock. Michael?
Okay. Number 21, please.
Red take.
Red take. I believe the other one we saw was not of that color. Number 20, please.
High-tech telescope. Bruce.
Great. Well, I'd like to stargaze. How about number 5, please?
5
And
for high-tech.
number 20 for the match, please.
High-tech telescope. Match. Bruce is doing it to you this time, Michael.
I'll say he is.
He is relentless. Let's see if these two pieces are that helpful. So.
Need to see more than that.
Go again.
How about number 3, please?
Bakery bread maker.
I'm a bread baker. I like that. And number 15, please?
Antique library globe. Well, you may have helped Michael to come up with a match.
Okay, was the antique library globe under number 7?
Correct.
And the match for that is number 15.
You are right. And you get a prize. Let's see if Michael can make any sense of this. Pick again.
Still a little early. Number 17, please.
Washington, D.C. vacation.
And for the match, number 8.
Washington, D.C. vacation. If Bruce wants it, he'll have to take it away from Michael. But at this time, we open the 2 panels for Michael's benefit. Select again, please.
Okay. Number 11, please.
Bakery bread maker.
Was the match for that under number 3?
Bakery bread maker. Hey, Michael's on a roll now, Bruce.
Be right back.
Let's see what happens. Pick it again.
Can I see number 18, please?
Cash pot.
And where did we see that? Was that number 22?
No, but Bruce remembers where the cash was
How about
hiding.
number 24, please?
Cash pot.
Number 18 for some
18,
money.
Cash pot for
Before
money.
we ride my bike.
A little longer.
Yeah.
Open it up. Select again.
Could I see number 23, please?
Garden tools.
Number 16 for the match, please.
Garden tools. Well, you've taken the lead in terms of prizes accumulated, Bruce. You've got 2 more than Michael right now, and you could win the game right here. Go again.
Can I see number 10, please?
Wild card.
Oh, I need that. Need that. Could I see number 19, please?
19. Green take.
Yeah.
The other green take. Number 1. You want to use it now? He's got that Washington, D.C. trip, the Library Grove, and I know you like to make or bake bread. You're going for the bread maker, aren't you?
No, I'm gonna take the DC trip, I think.
No fooling.
Yeah.
All right,
Mike.
the Washington,
I'm
D.C.
sorry, Mike.
holiday. Give it to Bruce and open 3 panels for him. Can he win the game now? Select again. Oh, there's the bell. All right, gentlemen, hands on your signaling buttons, and you can ring in when the green light goes on, and we'll start revealing with number 4. Follow it up with number 6, 12, 14. Oh, Michael is in first.
Sherman Hemsley.
Is it Sherman Hemsley? Yes, it is, and Michael does it. Oh, boy. Bruce was just about a half second behind you.
He was close.
He was close indeed. Let's go to the board, Michael. You felt his hot breath, huh?
Okay, here we have SH and the towel which says her for sure, with a man here, sure man, a hem with a Z, and General Lee, Hemsley, Sherman Hemsley.
Sherman Hemsley is right. Nicely done. Bruce, you didn't do it in this game, but it was a super match, and I want to thank you for that, and I want to congratulate you on winning $2,583 in prizes.
I had a good time.
Nice having
It was
you
worth the
here.
wait.
Take care.
Take care.
We'll look forward to reading some of your articles from around the world. All right, Michael, you picked up another couple of prizes, but more important than that, you're going back into the winner's circle with 45 seconds on the clock in order to win a brand new car. When we return. All right, let's do it, Michael. Come on. Win a car. 15 numbered squares, 45 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
No again.
5, 6,
No.
1, 6,
Right?
7, 2,
No.
8, 9,
No.
4, 11,
No.
7, 11,
Yes.
10, 9,
No.
8, 12,
No.
15, 12,
Right?
14, 2,
Right?
13, 3,
Right?
4, 10,
Right?
9, 5.
No. Yes! Yes! Way to go! I thought you were going for the other number. Gene, tell him about it.
Michael, You've just won this Volkswagen Fox two-door coupe. Features a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning. Furnished by Volkswagen. A prize worth over $8,500.
Taking you up to $23,500, Michael. Congratulations. Gene, tell us about another prize before we go into this break.
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate for beautiful hand-blown and lead crystal, elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.